All our wiring systems are modular, so they can be customised depending on the boat type and the number of speakers required. This also means that individual sections can be replaced without having to remove the entire system. We use high-grade marine audio cable and incorporate nylon washers on all the connectors to allow easy disconnection without damaging the cables. Each section is individually tested before leaving the factory, and every speaker is pressure tested for leaks. Systems are available in either standard or platinum versions. Platinum systems include an impeller and its wiring. Both standard and platinum systems are compatible with all models of Coxorb. However, only a Coxorb Platinum combined with a platinum wiring system will allow you to use an impeller. Complete systems are available for all standard boat classes. Systems are made up of some or all of the following components. The jumper lead is used to connect the Coxorb to the end of the wiring system, and we made it easily replaceable because it experiences the most wear and tear. This saves you having to replace the entire section of the system, or soldering a new connector on when the connector does eventually wear. The jumper lead has a right-angled connector to make it easy to connect and disconnect from the Coxorb without straining the cable. It is also available in two lengths, a shorter length to be used in stern-steered boats, and a longer length for use in bow-steered ones. We also offer a jumper lead with a straight connector. This works with both Coxorbs and with coxing amplifiers that have downward-facing connectors. The connection harness plugs into the jumper lead. It includes connectors for a seat magnet sensor, as well as a connector for either the first speaker or a modular harness depending on the boat type and the system configuration. The Platinum version also includes an additional connector for an impeller sensor. The connection harness is supplied with two mounting options to secure the connector where the jumper lead plugs in. These create a clean finish and, combined with the storage boss, keep the jumper lead secured to the boat when removing it from the racks to prevent any accidental damage. The surface mount is generally used in bow-steered boats and can be attached using the 3M pads provided, or it can be screwed to any flat surface. The bulkhead mount is generally used in 8s and allows you to mount the connector through the bulkhead at the cox's feet. The stroke rate sensor connects to the connection harness and should be attached to the boat under the nearest seat. The magnet should then be fitted to the seat and spaced down appropriately using the spaces provided in order to give reliable readings. Please note that you do not need a stroke rate sensor if you solely use Coxorbs, as they have inbuilt accelerometers for stroke rate. The modular harness allows you to wire additional speakers into the system. It has two connectors, so you can connect either one additional speaker and another modular harness, or two additional speakers to complete the system. The speakers use a German-designed Visiton module, mounted in a carefully designed case that provides optimum air volume to enhance audio quality. This allows the speakers to operate at a lower volume without sacrificing clarity. They are completely waterproof, and each unit is pressure tested before leaving the factory. Speakers can be mounted using the 3M dual lock pads or mounting screws provided. Alternatively, lightweight speaker brackets or bulkhead mounts can be purchased separately. The bulkhead mount allows you to recess the speakers into the bulkhead for a clean finish. Please note though that this option requires cutting a large hole through the bulkhead, so we recommend this is fitted by a professional boat builder or repairer. Lightweight speaker brackets allow you to mount the speakers on the underside of the deck. The impeller sensor and impeller can be used with the Platinum connection harness and the Platinum Coxorb. Every effort has been made to make our impeller as practical as possible. It can be easily fitted and removed using the 3M Command adhesive strips. The spinner is also supported at both ends to ensure it is robust, and it has a clip-on keeper to prevent wear whilst in transit. The mounting cup can be fitted to any boat and accommodates all makes of coxing amplifiers. You can plug the jumper lead onto the storage boss when the boat is on the rack or in transit to keep it out of the way and seal the connector. It can be mounted either inside the mounting cup or directly to the boat. We also offer a range of optional accessories and extras that can be used in specific situations. The impeller extension lead should be used when using an impeller on a windy river. The location of the impeller affects the readings it gives due to the changing turbulence along the boat. The impeller extension lead allows you to mount the impeller approximately 5 meters from the bow to give more stable readings. The loom extension lead is occasionally needed to ensure the wiring connection corresponds with the join on some sectional boats. The impeller loom adapter can be used to convert a standard connection harness into a platinum connection harness for use with an impeller. The bulkhead cable bungs allow you to run cables through the bulkhead and create a seal. The loudspeaker resistor is only very rarely needed, but on a few occasions we have found that due to the acoustics of certain hull shapes, it is possible to experience feedback through the speaker located closest to the stern of an 8. It allows you to tune down this speaker to avoid feedback without any noticeable reduction in sound quality.